work here real quick. Ready pre-sprayed. Yeah, man, stay tuned. We got maybe 4 or 5 lined up for the day. We started out here in Surprise right now. Next job's gonna be out in Scottsdale. Yeah, stay tuned, man. Just giving us a good little scrub-a-doo. Agitating the carpet before we start steaming. Needed some real good love in here. Appreciate you. Yep.
It's because you got the timing now too. Like, you know, I think this is like this long.
Yep. Give that a little scrub. Knock these ones out too real quick. Cool, man. This is number 2 for the day. Got my boy JoJo up there. Yes, sir. Running through, got the baby. Yo, what's up, Joe?
What's up, brother?
Man, look, man, we knocked out a quick Airbnb, one of our monthly clients. We got this rug that we're just giving a good deep clean. Man, y'all gotta check out this backyard, man. Shout out to my boy Nick, man. You are doing your thing, man, but check out this Airbnb, man. This is fly. This is fly. It's one of our monthly clients. Yeah. Scottsdale AZ. We'll drop a link in there, man, so y'all can book it for my guy, man. And yeah. Yo, what's going on, good people, man? It's another day in beautiful Arizona. We knocking out some more rugs today, man. Check it out. We are in North Peoria / North Glendale. Got a beautiful view here. Got my boy JoJo in here. What's going on, Joe?
Hey, what's up, brother?
What's going on with good?
Carpet Kings, you need your cleaning done, furniture. We do tile and we do carpet.
Yes, sir, man. He put in that good work. We got the scrubber going over here, man. We're gonna give us a good clean. All right.